Tangent and normal. Differentiation. Find the normal equation to a curve. Y equals x times, open bracket, x minus 3, close bracket, times, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, at the point 2 minus 8. The point 2 is x1, and the point minus 8 is y1. We're told to find the normal equation to the curve, this curve. Well, first of all, we need to find the y dx, which will be the gradient, which will be the tangent gradient. So we need to find the tangent gradient, and we can call that t. In order to do that, this is a product function, but it might be best to just expand this product. So I'm going to expand the last two brackets. X times x is x squared. X times 2 will be plus 2x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, all multiplied by x. So if I then multiply that out, I get x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3. Minus 3. I should have added those together. Minus 3x squared minus 6x. So now you could have added together, that would be minus x, and then multiply by x would be minus x squared. But in this case, it would be x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. So this is y. Now we need to find the y dx. So we've got three terms here. So we have to differentiate term by term. So the y dx, which will be the tangent gradient, that will be 3x squared, because n is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2x, that will be 2 down, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 6, because that's 1 there, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 minus 1 is x to the power 0, and we know that x to the power 0 equals 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So we now know the gradient, but we need the actual value of the gradient when x is 2, because these are x variables. So we're going to put a 2 there. So that would be 3 into bracket 2 squared minus 2 into bracket 2 minus 6. And that would give, that's 4. 2 squared is 4 times 3, 12, minus 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6. So that would be minus 10. So that would be 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. So the mt is 2. That's a gradient. So the gradient of the tangent is 2. But there's a relationship. We know that the gradient of tangent, m tangent, times m normal, will be equal to minus 1. So we want to find m normal. So we have to do m normal will be equal to minus 1 over m tangent. And that would be minus 1 over 2. So it's minus a half. To then find the actual equation, we need to use y minus y1 equals m normal into bracket x minus x1. So we can see this is your x1 and that's your y1. So we can plug them in here. And we know the m normal there too. So we can get y minus, now y1 is minus 8. So minus 8 into bracket there equals mn minus a half into bracket x minus 2. And that will give y plus 8 equals, that implies minus a half x plus 2 over 2. That implies y plus 8 equals minus a half x plus 1. And if I take away 8 from both sides, if I move the plus 8 to the other side, that'll become minus 8. So therefore, the equation of the normal equation will be minus a half x, that'll be the gradient of the normal, minus, if I take away 8 from both sides, that'll be minus 7. In the form of, so this equation is written in the form of y equals mx plus c. But if I want to write it in the form of another form, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, well, all I need to do is just take all the left-hand side to the right. So I then get a half x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. So that's one way of writing these answers. You can be told to write it in that format, or you may be told to write it in that format. So whichever format you are told to write it, it's important to read the question carefully and give back the answer the way they want it. Or you may be told to write it like that. So which means your answer will be just this. So you have to be careful how you write your answers. Read the questions carefully and then answer the questions according to the need of the question.